Hey, hi, this is day 2 of my 7-day speaking challenge, and I realized something very important. Practicing English alone in my room wasn't helping me as much as I thought. So, today I want to talk about why it happened. And I can confidently say by the end of this video, you will find something that not only change your English but help you so much in your confidence as well. Now, let's start the topic. Why practicing English alone is not enough. So, what happened when you practice alone? There is no pressure. Why? Because no one is watching you, no one is judging you, no one is pointing out your mistake, your grammar, the way you speak, your accent, and anything. Okay, so your mind feels free. Your brain doesn't panic at that moment because there is no pressure. But in real situation, pressure appears. Have you seen yourself when you practice alone, especially in your head? You're so fluent, you don't make any mistake, and you think, oh my god, I am speaking so fast, so fluently without making any mistake. But why, when it comes to speaking, why I fumble, why I can't speak as good as in I'm speaking in my mind? Because of pressure. Because when you speak even alone, there is a pressure of what? Pressure of performing better, and it increases with a bunch of people because you have your own expectation of what? Expectation of performing well, not making mistake. You think that if I make mistake, I will embarrass myself, I will look stupid. My friends, they laugh at you, they make joke on you, they mock you, and lot of other things. So these expectation creates pressure, and this is only your expectation that creates pressure. But if you are in a formal settings, the pressure increases even more, and that pressure comes up and fear shows up. So the real problem isn't it about grammar, that your tense is good, how your vocabulary is, how your sentence is structure, how many mistakes you are making. This isn't it about this. The real problem is lack of exposure. You always hide yourself when it comes to speaking in public. You always miss those opportunity that can create real situation, that can increase your confidence. You never take that chance which allows you to talk with bunch of people. And guess what? When you speak publicly, that creates real pressure. And that pressure trains your confidence, and that confidence allow you to speak in public. So it's become a loop. So what exactly happened when you expose yourself in public situation, when you push yourself to speak in public, that creates real pressure. That pressure trains your confidence, and the more confidence you have, that confidence again push you to speak even more. So next time, whenever you get chance to speak in front of, even with two people, in front of your two friends or two neighbor or two cousins, speak up. Don't afraid. Fear won't change your English. Fear won't change your speaking. Fear won't change your fluency, your sentence structure, or any mistake that you are making, or won't help you to reach your goal. But showing up is. So show up for yourself. And one more important thing, it is not about you and me. It's about us. Everybody done that. But the only difference between the people who speak so well and us is the fear. They overcome their fear, that fear which stops us to speak in public, which stops us to work on our confidence. And this is our job to overcome this fear if we actually want to speak good English. So that's it for this one. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss day 3 of my 7-day speaking challenge. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this video, and what is the one thing that is actually helping you in your English? Until then, don't just watch, start practicing.